In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Dubsado emails. Now, in the emails, you cannot embed the video player like you can in Dubsado Forms. I've got another video about that, so be sure to check that out if that's what you're looking for. But you can add an image and link that image to your video. So that's what we're going to do in this video. I'm inside of the Dubsado canned email templates, and I've created my email template here. So I'm just gonna maybe do a little editing here and add my smart field to add in the client's first name. So then I'm gonna add the image. So to do that, I'm gonna go down to this A, click insert image, pick up my image from my desktop here and drop that in. Now that the image is there, I'm going to, and it's selected, you can see the little boxes around it. I'm going to insert link and add my URL. For right now, I'm just going to hit placeholder. So, and then open in a new tab, click insert, and you are done.